Now we can see theorem 5.1. The circle passing through the points of intersection, it may be real or imaginary, of the line Lx plus My plus n equal to 0 and the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is the circle of the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c plus lambda into Lx plus My plus n equal to 0, where lambda is a real number. Okay, so what they have given here is, this is a rough diagram, they did not give in the book, just for explaining I have drawn this. So you take a circle, okay, the circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. And you take a line like this, okay, and its equation is Lx plus My plus n equal to 0. We want to construct a circle like this, okay, we want to construct a circle which passes through the point of intersection of this circle and this line. Okay, so you want to find the equation of the circle that passes through the point of intersection of the circle and the line. So like this, okay, so like this we have to form a circle. So that circle equation only we are going to find. For finding that circle equation, we are taking the given circle equation first. Let the circle be S, which is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Just we are denoting this circle equation as S. And the line equation as L, we are denoting it, and take it as equation 1 and equation 2. And it is given here, you want to prove that the required equation is of this form and it passes through the point of intersection of the given circle and the line. Okay, so now I am taking like this. Consider, yes, that is this circle equation plus lambda, a scalar value, here we have lambda, no, lambda into this line equation equal to 0. This I am taking S plus lambda L equal to 0. Next I will prove that it represents the equation of a circle and it passes through the point of intersection of the circle and the line. Okay, so now you can replace the values, that is S means the circle equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c plus lambda into line equation is Lx plus My plus n equal to 0. Okay, so this is the line equation. Now I am going to simplify this, that is x square and y square you take in the same way. Combine the x terms together. Here we have 2gx, isn't it? Here when you take this lambda inside, lambda Lx you will get. So 2g plus lambda L into x. Okay, x I am taking commonly outside. Then I am going to combine the y terms. So here 2f plus here if I take this lambda inside, lambda my, isn't it? So lambda m I will get into y plus the constant term is c and here the constant is lambda n. So c plus lambda n, this is equal to 0. Okay, so now what you can do is, this is of the form, that is, this is a second degree equation in x and y. This is a second degree equation in x and y. X and y with coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square and no xy term. No xy term. You see here it is a second degree equation. Coefficient of x square is 1, coefficient of y square is also 1. No xy term. Okay, so if it is like this, what you can say, the given equation represents a circle. Okay, so therefore the given equation represent a circle. The given equation represent a circle. Okay. So we said now this represents a circle. Now you want to say that it passes through the point of intersection of the given line and the given circle, isn't it? So if you take a point alpha comma beta, if alpha comma beta is a point of intersection, of S and L, that is circle and the line, which satisfies first equation and second equation. Satisfying first equation and second equation, then it satisfies third equation also. Then it satisfies equation 3 also. So what they are saying is, so we said it represents a circle, okay. Then if we take alpha comma beta as the point of intersection of the circle and the line, means what we'll say, when we replace that point here, it will become 0. The value of this fully will become 0. Same way this also will become 0, isn't it? So 0 plus lambda into 0 means it is 0. So we can say that point alpha comma beta satisfy third equation also. So hence what we took here is S plus lambda into L equal to 0 represents the equation of the recurred circle. Represents the equation of the recurred circle. Now we can see the next sum. The next sum is example 5.2. So here we are going to apply the theorem what we learned just now. So example 5.2 is find the equation of the circle that is described on the card. So here we have a card and its equation is 3x plus y plus 5 equal to 0. Then here we have the equation of the circle, x square plus y square equal to 16. Here also this diagram is a rough diagram only. You want to find the equation of the circle that is described on this chord of the given circle as a diameter. That is, we are going to find a circle, or we are going to find the equation of a circle whose diameter is this chord. Okay, so keeping this as the diameter, we are going to draw a circle here, and this circle equation only you want to find out. Okay, so how we can start with this? We can write equation of the recurred circle is of the form equation of the recurred circle is of the form, that is, the recurred circle passes through the point of intersection of this circle and the line, isn't it? Is of the form, you write the circle equation first, x square plus y square, the 16 you take it to the left hand side, minus 16 plus lambda into 3x plus y plus 5 equal to 0. Now you can rearrange it, x square plus y square plus lambda you take inside, 3 lambda x plus lambda y, here constant minus 16 plus 5 lambda. Okay, so minus 16 plus 5 lambda is the constant. This is equal to 0. So now it represents the equation of a circle. Okay, so this is of the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So you can find the center. For that I am taking 2g first. 2g means the coefficient of x. It is 3 lambda. So g equal to 3 lambda by 2. Then take the coefficient of y, that is 2f equal to here lambda. 2f equal to lambda. So f equal to lambda by 2. Okay, so now you can write the center. Center is equal to what? Minus g comma minus f. It is equal to minus of these two values, minus 3 lambda by 2 comma lambda by 2. Okay, then since it is given Since 3x plus y plus 5 equal to 0 is the diameter. Is the diameter for the required circle. For the required circle, the center is equal to what? Minus 3 lambda by 2 comma this here also minus lambda by 2. Okay, minus lambda by 2 satisfies the line equation. Satisfy the line equation. So this you can mark it as equation 2 and this is equation 1. So equation 2 implies, replace this point here, 3 into x value is minus 3 lambda by 2, y value is minus lambda by 2 plus 5 equal to 0. So minus 9 lambda by 2 minus lambda by 2 plus 5 equal to 0, which implies minus 10 lambda by 2 plus 5 equal to 0. You can cancel this. So minus 5 lambda equal to 5, which implies lambda equal to 1. Substitute lambda is equal to 1 in equation 1. So equation 1 implies x square plus y square minus 16 plus 3x plus y plus 5 equal to 0. So you can rearrange it, x square plus y square plus 3x plus y minus 11 equal to 0. So this is the answer.